Welcome to iSTEM, the Indian Science, Technology and Engineering Facilities Map. In this video, we shall guide you step by step on how to register on the iSTEM portal. Register as a researcher or public user. Students, researchers, faculty, scientists, even startups and industry can sign up on the iSTEM portal to access advanced research facilities in India. To register as a researcher or public user, visit www.istem.gov.in. Click the Register button on the top right and choose Researcher or User Registration. Fill in all the mandatory details in personal information and academic information. Enter the CAPTCHA and click Submit. The user registration request will be reviewed by the iSTEM Nodal Center and necessary action will be taken. After approval, the login credentials will be sent to their registered email ID. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on iSTEM. Visit www.istem.gov.in to explore India's largest R&D infrastructure network.